We stand at the cusp of a revolution in cancer treatment. For decades, our main weapons against this devastating disease have been surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. While these methods have saved countless lives, they often come with significant side effects. Enter immunotherapy, a revolutionary approach that harnesses the power of our own immune system to fight cancer. Imagine a treatment that doesn't just target cancer cells directly, but empowers your body's natural defenses to seek and destroy them. This is the promise of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is not just a single treatment, but a collection of strategies that boost the immune system's ability to recognize and eliminate cancer cells. Our immune system is a complex network of cells and organs that protect us from invaders like viruses, bacteria, and even rogue cells that can become cancerous. However, cancer cells are cunning adversaries. They have developed ways to evade our immune system, hiding in plain sight and even suppressing the immune response. Cancer cells are masters of disguise. They can cloak themselves in proteins that make them appear harmless to the immune system. Imagine a wolf in sheep's clothing. That's what cancer cells do. They can also release substances that dampen the immune response, effectively disarming the very cells that are supposed to protect us. This is one of the reasons why cancer can be so difficult to treat. To understand how immunotherapy works, we need to delve into the intricate world of the immune system. One of the key players in our body's defense against cancer is a type of white blood cell called a T cell. T cells are like vigilant soldiers patrolling our bodies, searching for and destroying infected or abnormal cells. They have specialized receptors that can recognize specific proteins, called antigens, on the surface of other cells. When a T cell encounters a cell displaying foreign or abnormal antigens, it launches an attack, killing the cell and preventing it from causing harm. The tumor microenvironment is a complex and hostile landscape where immune cells and cancer cells engage in a constant battle for survival. Imagine a battlefield where the terrain is constantly shifting and the enemy is constantly adapting. This is the challenge faced by T cells as they try to infiltrate and destroy tumors. CD8 plus T cells, a particular type of T cell, are critical for controlling tumor growth. These cells are like elite soldiers trained to recognize and kill cancer cells. They are activated when they encounter cancer antigens presented by other immune cells, such as dendritic cells, which act as messengers, alerting the CD8 plus T cells to the presence of danger. Once activated, CD8 plus T cells can directly kill cancer cells by releasing toxic molecules that punch holes in their membranes. However, even the most powerful warriors need support. This is where inflammatory monocytes, another type of white blood cell, come into play. Monocytes are like the support troops of the immune system, providing crucial assistance to T cells in their fight against cancer. They do this in several ways. Firstly, monocytes can differentiate into macrophages and dendritic cells within the tumor microenvironment. Macrophages are like garbage collectors, engulfing and destroying dead cells and cellular debris, while dendritic cells are crucial for activating T cells. By differentiating into these specialized cells, monocytes help to maintain a clean battlefield and ensure that T cells are properly activated and directed to their targets.